In this video, I'll show you how to fix the low-level fatal error in Expedition 33 quickly and easily. Method 1. Restart your game. Close Expedition 33 completely. Restart the game and check if the error persists. Method 2. Update your game. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version. Check your platform's store, Steam, Epic, etc. for any pending updates and install them. Method 3. Verify game files. On Steam, right-click Expedition 33 in your library. Select Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. This will fix any corrupted or missing files causing the error. Method 4. Update your graphics drivers. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel. Download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Method 5. Run as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut. Select Run as administrator to avoid permission issues. Method 6. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Steam overlay and any other overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience. Close unnecessary background applications that might conflict. Thanks for watching. If this fix helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming troubleshooting videos.